How to verify your LinkedIn account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC, or inside the browser you want to go ahead and search for linkedin.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply log in to your LinkedIn account. So LinkedIn now offers free verification option to help prove your identity and workplace. Our verified profile boosts your credibility and trust, especially for job seekers, recruiters, and business professionals. So here's how you can verify your LinkedIn account. For that, you want to go ahead and tap on the Me icon, then tap on View Profile. Know that there are two main types of LinkedIn verification: identity verification and workplace verification. Identity verification is the one that adds the blue verification check mark next to your name, and workplace verification confirms that you actually work at that company listed in your profile. So in order to add a verification badge next to your profile, tap on Add Verification Badge, and just like that, a QR code is gonna appear in your screen. You want to go ahead and scan it with your phone. And just like that, you will be redirected to a third-party app like Clear, DigiLocker, or Persona depending on your country. And just like that, you want to go ahead and follow on-screen step to scan your government ID or take a quick selfie for a face match. And within minutes, you'll have a blue badge next to your name visible on your profile. It is currently available in the US, Canada, Mexico, and India, and more countries are coming soon. And that's simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.